Mwanchu mulgireria marogobone ngo kwarigania SMS yetu ya mangana Amayia chinsa 10 igoro onyanyore senchera yowe karunu kwigena kwa nenga litukoria odikoria kubere ligi ya senchera ere ya bene irete ya nenche kwa Daniel Omwaga ayana rona kwarigania ere senchera yobwenye Morogoba obono nigotoke chaka ndengana yo wichani Mwanchu mulgireria asomobere bomusa choyo mwaserieta Elias Thomas Nyakora nigo otoka imambia rero ime yekenyoro keria akia ikesekenyoro keria gia Itebu mogenda kigotoka sense moye bunge ya South Mugirango ime ye county ya Akisi umubero nyagosira nigo toka tabwati chingo machinde chonse Mwanchu mulgireria asebono ya mate nyagosira yaganiro butuko ngokorwa eribanyare konyora uwene bwabo
Tuabo kabana mambi twanyara toko uchi uichi go kuru toko mnyokani go chaga twanyara no mwana momurora irega igo itire wana twakuminga ingo sorenta ngo ito momuroya morenta motare kaga wana tokorangiria serikali twarangiria na toichirega iga abantu tokenda gokuraga abantu basangekanirega tokoboria serikali eche tokonye gaki nande mbanto kiaba bakoreta ya iga
ono gaki omwana oyo iga nakorira nge wiki tinda morora lakini rero kana nyorango tebigungo mwana otokirwo kwete nyamugonjoro twamenyakanitwe ikiro twanyore no mwana iria cio tomukure gaki gotokumeti serikali echi tokonye igo twakumiri
ciarengange saa moja na nusu ya maragoba omwana oyo kanya twaragira akamenyaka kurugecia agasoa nyumba mwane chokoni agateba abantu baje bamotebinga toka mbio omwana oyo akamenyaka gaba kamwane twarenge no mwana one tongo mategenda ngorangerio mugakuri aje gocha mugakoyo gocha okumubori Elias ninki ngana abantu bakominyoki ngai barenge nye baje bande ngatoka mbio omwana oyo akaminyoka baka nyumba mwane omwana oyo korurituke Jumapili ngaeta nkomurangeria Elias akanga goitaba abantu bari bayo kuminyoki kwa bamanyire akangira ni ngora na iguna akoraki guna akwana nchinga bwatangacha paka buna bono igatwarangeri gungo omonto naro kwerete rocha twanya no mwana Elias gakia serikali tokonyo omonto iteto mwana oyo
omwana Elias ibona andi poteri mambia kabwakire omwana Elias nacha mwane otuko tokuragira iga oteba abantu bante ifungwa murango bakundishira bande toka inje bona ndwa ndio mwana jarwa agwo omyoka kabwindu yaneye omuripoteri bone nduya no gontebia
no muna rero nachire komorora maene igakwete na ndi kuringana nsa iga munaroro kaine igaretiro korora kabikwororo bone gintu twenge gusaba serikali mwaringe gwanja motokonye uchunguzi esaine tumanye nga inza ngapi tokone tokosoa nyumba kusina abantu bachire batete kutoita batokole
na gutia na yo wichani Mwanchu mulgireria togoska motu ni gabone kigambero ya Kisi wetero munachiebi na monene Honorable Bernard Omonsa nigo kiaraire ebiombe hune kiombe kerikia nyagitari amo one nyagitari gose amo nabanyanyimbo elio gosoma igoro yemechando abana abagwetera bunegati yabo okonengetwa amo onogosarwa ebikarebyo nigo byakorekana sense moya Saint Stephen gose Saint Vincent imeyo mochiobo songo asebono obasanga igoro chinchira chiwendete kurenda abana bono nigo kubolibwa kwa rure gochia asabantu balia baganitie kogora aba.
For today we were here at the
aria abwendete nabaigo abantu balia bakubakinia abana babo asechinchera chire chindonge.
For today we were here at the Vincent Pastoral Center for purposes of sensitizing ourselves and sharing with the stakeholders the very things that we wanted to do or that which we have done for today. It is on how we are supposed to cooperate amongst the multi-agents in respect of the children matters. We realize that there is a lot in terms of abuse. And in such a situation you find that there is no agency which can work alone and come out with the very best results. So we are all failing because not that we are unable to do that which is supposed to be done, but because there isn't that link or collaboration. And that is the very things that we have come here to sensitize ourselves and to talk amongst ourselves that each department will take it up And as in respect of the children and that multi-agency, we start, by the way, from the teachers who may realize or who may notice something else and report it to the police. And then that means we have also the police as part and parcel of the stakeholders regarding the rights or securing the rights of the children.
Asa mangana yokoni abana etogokwana n'abana inchi baito bagusi tobatebinga omwana tabasakoni uwa muna kintu kindi gyonspikere chiro abana directorate yetu ya children services nebwatenchera abana baraewa somonto yo tabwati nonye nabayibori bali babata abana batagete korenda ndobwatenjera bagocha basaba twabaeti injera ya ereligo bakwenda through the high court baewa abana ina legal way likabakoira abana injera ereligo nande ekare ichikoria manyire yanyarekana nande bachigosoerwa asa magosai to kurangeria abayibori bali babwate interest yo kwenda kurinda abana baiche tutumie chinjira chiri chiroroche serikali cyoko ba abana erinde babarende ensinjirere ngia.
The issue of stigma in our hospital settings, we try and make sure we protect the privacy and the confidentiality of these victims, in addition to ensuring their physical safety and emotional safety. So they should feel safe enough to come to hospitals. Within that setting, we also organize for counseling, because there is a lot of emotional, psychological trauma in addition to the physical trauma which comes with these cases. And we have a program where we're able to take care of these victims.
Na gotiga na yumwancho murgeria chinga kichigabu na togenderete gukwana nigo yokoriye kirogo kyobara ibwense wetere ticket ya Jubilee oyiboigo orengo mwaziri orendi waime Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi are asensemo ya Nyamira asekiranire somo yego yomo woko mwene mumuromu abo seneta abwe county ya Nyamira Okengo Omogeni asande tokorwa chinkwana chia tigango twagireria chinkwana chia Fred Okengo Matiangi korwa chinseme chio muyego yo wa matanga.
Ingo wenda isikia mangano magongeria kwana amangana seneta kwana barai itronzi Mheshimiwa Rai kutoka Turkana, ninakushukuru. My brothers Magara, Joash, Kemosi, Mheshimiwa Ben, Mheshimiwa Osero, Mwesibi, I'm ready and I'm prepared to work with all of us. The most important thing is tuweke sisi wote pamoja, tuweke umoja wa watu wetu, tuende mbele tukiwa moja. Ya pili, ni ya mambo ambayo tuko nayo kwa shida hapa nchi ya Kenya. Unajua, even nimeona mambo ya aibu. You know, usually people want to know my dad to kusununde serikali mwana. The reason is because I have respect some of our national leaders. But now, na wao wajiheshimu tafadhali. Sasa nimesikia some of our national leaders are saying, oh, we are average thinkers, we are average people, and so on. Are we actually average, or Kenya is reeling from the vagaries of an average government? Serikali, every corner you look is chaos. Education chaos. Ama temunawa na chake kuigwa, na ale kuburika le banyandara na chukwazo. Wewe uoga, mlosema temwa kuigwa. Na agenda toka. Isha ndio baragazi. Magendro heyande kene ngigendreti obulimo buoka. Kigana baboye bantu bamindo. Umwana koreka setu notice gaseta di university kwa lajwa kyabonyo. Wana koreka setu notice. Ogo tizu wana wawarwari kagaje university bere kutato boyeno mubakaine bagere chikule chezeme bagende. Yani bakusiye to ababa hiye ngisheka birinyo. Mweza kwanja manganaya bantu bamindo. Nje kubasaba kamoranje. Mweza kwanja manganaya. Ono ujagerera tujako tebanga yaya. Tujako tebanga ki. Kana sobo ni mwo nzinga tujako teba. Amagale yeki yombeki na tujako teba. Amagale yo mwangi ni tujako teba. Amagale yesi rege tujako teba ki. Bas. Toibana dire. Tobeamo, tobeatrene, tobendeamo. What we are asking the government to do is simple. Let them do their job. That's what they are paid to do. To provide leadership in the country. It's so amazing the level of incompetence and chaos in the country. Yani, 2 Kenyans are arrested, Bavera Buganda, Bamenyatoro, and nobody gets them out of that place. It takes the retired president to go and negotiate there and talk kwa sababu yeye ndiye anaheshimiwa na wale kuacha watoto wetu. I mean, how much more incompetent can you be, honestly? So abantu bami ngorere mademega naso edeke ubiya jubili na ende bagere dikjo kuboye kirogo abantu bami ko basaba moso e jubili kwa kana rogo so no mai boyo wanu minto seneta no mai tenga na yenge mai to yo ya por alguien na nora no nyoka rara ama gocha alguien magana la magana nara ozero nora yo que mosi nora na me rependo yo wono na more ya dinu nyege mete twezi que tu wange ina kiwika to soe ekiumbikyo to bwata na wakenya bande elinde toligenjera yo kobeka chikura chetu amo to chikoro serikali inga na yo mwe no mwanyi to tambi. I will not let you down. I will not let you down. I will not let you down. We will sort out in David. By the time now we go, no you ain't body here, me that good. And I'm a guy and I can swallow the chuma nyumba. Nechi body nyumba. You want me a morosi? I mean, don't have us or the eleven money. To run your molembe, to run you one shining no homo. Neither do you ram okay because he beat to run your and do it one space about all our people wherever they are. Wacha mutuwa the netwenzi. No you but not that good one. Josh Bogler, no you are one of my family, but you are going to get Chicago. Overtaking now and one in the Berlin to answer the Navarro. Needed to go around, Joko was a relieta. Gavashi to put out the Eyemo, so can you say to go so another way? And now I'm Tamayale, he was my Goromo, Tomio, Joko, the Nikisimba, the one I know Nikisimba, Yakurumi. One in the world is Switzerland, one no way, one no to that. So I'm telling you, one to what they are here. In one, they were telling you to go down, Yelesico or Ichikura. If I get more than all the Kabono, Yelesico Ichikura.
Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi kuruo asense media aye kaunti ya Nyamira asekanire amatanga yamo yoko mwenye ndugu yaye mwaseneta kwi kaunti eyo Okengo Mogeni kwereka ukwana chingibingi amangana mangi kuruo nsenu yo mwanchu mulile asabere kakotebanga nigwara chigokorera abakenya egasi erengiya nabo igoni gabarerere iratari go chako yali ananya nigo otebire inga orege inga egasi yayiga yarekanete hekerarenge sekerugokeria akio oborendi ebwaime ebwense omwanchu mulile toboska mutubono ekiombekeria ky'obochori n'ekimbebe kya IBC nigo ingo kiorege mitibu kanu bosi obochori oboke ebwe kitariki 25 nebire kimutiyo nyoyo oburakorekane asamaga gose obo barachikokorekana gukwana kurwa asamaga cyo amanene y'ekiombeke anniversary towers aiga imeyo mochiyo Nairobi munyakirebo obwe ekiombekyo Erasas Etakon nigo ayane kiriyo bochori obo igo barachikoba obo boene amono bwasio kobonne asebono aruruko bo lyagochi asebali bakurya ebirogo aho bibochori oboke
we have scheduled those by-elections on 27th of this month, 27th November. And since we gazetted those elections, the Commission has undertaken extensive preparations to ensure that we have peaceful, free, fair, and credible by-elections in all the 16 wards, the 6 constituencies, and the one for senator for Baringo. So far, our teams have been on the ground. We have appointed the returning officers for those respective elections. We have trained the electoral officials on the work they're supposed to do. And we have prepared all the materials that are required for us to conduct and complete those elections successfully. So we are here to assure the nation that IEBC is committed to ensuring that those elections are conducted in a peaceful, free, fair, and transparent manner. And we would also like to assure the various political parties and their candidates, and indeed all the Kenyans who constitute the electorate, that all the candidates and their political parties are free to campaign peacefully anywhere within their jurisdictions.
Mwanchumulgiria na gutigara sengani yo bochori kubwatikana no gwesokia kumwaromoke kwa Kenya asukwerie kiabuna aba kichikura imechi nsemo au chense ya Kenya ingabono ikiombege chimbebe no bochori IEBC kiabolugwe koira imiroberio eyo imeye binyoro elioko ba Kenya libagari okwerie kiabo ikiranu aya nigo akwanwa ano munyakirogo monene we kiombege talia egie serikali kimanyeke na hadi Kenya Dr. Stanley Kamau uyorenge hamona abo bisabande be kiombe kyogie chimbebe amono bochori IEBC kurwa ensemo yebunge ya Madioya.
All other people of goodwill to consider facilitating IEBC officials to the grassroots so that each and every person can be able to register as a voter. And I want to repeat again, if you are talking about 2-term, if you are talking about 1-term, if you are talking about no-term, the best way to talk about those things and to achieve what you are talking about is through the ballot. There is no need of fighting, no need of calling each other names. The only way you can be able to collect all the ills in this nation or be able to bring good people, good governance is through the ballot. And I want to urge each and every person, let's not use violence. Let's not use intimidations.
Tumewarahisishia kazi ya kufika pande ile, si ndio? Na tungependa kuwarai vijana, hii ndio muda wenu ambayo mko nayo ya kuhakikisha kwamba umechukua kura, ili wakati ikifika ni ya uchaguzi utaweza kuajiri ule kiongozi ambaye wewe unataka. Na kwa hivyo nieleze tu kidogo niseme kwamba kazi yetu kama tume ya uchaguzi sio peke yake mambo ya voter registration. Iko kazi mingi tunafanya including
na goskamutu mwanchumulgereria nigo abarokia baria ba JSS korwa ase county ya Kilifi nigo barure kirokiabo gochia ase kiombekere gia Teacher Service Commission TSC kobarika boikranu goseba chego cha komogiro gochakera omwako gocha 2027 gose 2026 bakorawo amo na JSC nigo bateba buna nigo babere bagokora egasi ibuna abamwe bali balikire amo ne serikali inseye kiombekere gia TSC asebono okonyara kwabo kwabere ogwa insekejima bono igo baganire bali kwe ibuna abamwe abo libanyara gokora egasi abo boikiranu na konyora gose na konyora engeira yabo chingaki basabira goteba ekiombekere gia TSC ibwatrene na kobariki boikiranu
of teachers in junior secondary, and these teachers have a lot of work that they are doing, but the amount of money they are given, they are being paid 17,000. This amount of money is not even enough to pay for their houses.
A contract that was signed by these teachers with the Teacher Service Commission is a one-year contract. And we want to call upon the Teacher Service Commission to take this matter seriously and confirm these teachers so that they can get employment on permanent and pensionable terms. This one we demand.
Kazi pale kwa affordable housing, tufanye mjengo kwa sababu hii pesa tunapewa haitoshi.
Most of us, we are surviving. The 17K that's given to us is not enough to manage our families. That money is very less. If we could be debating, we're just saying that the MPs are going with Oma with about 25,000 shillings for airtime. Right now, unanipea 17K mimi. I'm unable to marry and I'm unable to manage my family.
Nagutia na yo mwancho murigereria nigobone kiombe kiria kia NTSA gikubatarana na serikali ye county ya Kisii amo ne kiombe kiria ge chibara ya kera ne skuli ya bundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic nigoritko oliarero baruro basemya kuchia asabarundi chibigibigi nabaigo abarundi abali abechigari imeye mu chibosongo igoro yibotumekyo buya abwe chibara hiryo botange mibasakono ya kera ingaki negati ya machikayo babwendete kubwatia korengana na machiko ye kiombe ekyo kia NTSA.
Kwa shughuli ya uhamasisho kwa wananchi haswa kuhusu mambo ya usalama barabarani. Siku ya Jumapili tutakuwa na uhamasisho bado. Tutakuwa pamoja na washikadau tofauti. Tuko na shughuli ambayo inakuja kila mwaka na mwezi wa Novemba, Sunday ya mwisho ambapo tunaita World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims. Theme ama ujumbe wa huu mwaka ni Lost Talents. Katika maisha tunapata kwamba tunapoteza viungo tofauti katika society, wakiwemo madaktari, walimu, wanaspoti, watu tofauti. Kwa hivyo tunajikumbusha ya kwamba kuna lost talents katika visa vya ajali barabarani, na tumekuwa tukitembea katika Kisii town haswa katika wale the main stage, tukizungumza na waendeshaji wa magari, wale wasimamizi wa masafa tofauti, tukiwapea tu ujumbe ya kwamba mara kwa mara waweze kuzungumza na hao washikadau. Mambo ya kuuza pombe pale stage yetu inachangia katika visa vya ajali barabarani. Tuweze kuwa proactive a bit. Tunaingia kwa msimu wa Krismasi na kunakuwa na shughuli tofauti na usafiri kwa wingi. Kupata ya kwamba wale tunawapoteza ama wako hatari zaidi ni wale wanatumia miguu kwa barabara zetu, ambapo tunawaita pedestrians, na pia wana boda ambapo ni riders, na pia abiria zao ambapo tunawaita pillion passengers. Hao wote kwa jumla tunawaita vulnerable road users, wako katika hali we need to remember. Wale tuliowapoteza tuwakumbuke katika ajali barabarani, pia tuweze kuwa support ama tuwapee mkono wa buriani wale walinusurika ambapo wamebaki na jeraha tofauti. Sisi wenyewe tumebaki tuweze kuchukua hatua mikononi mwetu ili tuweze kutumia barabara zetu kwa njia iliyo sawa ili tuweze kupunguza visa vya ajali barabarani. Hii shughuli ya usalama barabarani ni sisi wote, na from an NTSA perspective as the leader agency tunasema ya kwamba road safety is a shared responsibility na sisi wote tunafaa kuwa waangalifu.
Chiabto kirechida kamera ngebere nainye igoro yechinsa 10 chiabona maragoba ritkorie chumo mwanchu mugeria na bono ngwikerio mwerio wa mangana mayesinchira yobuni krosegeteseni kiao kiabene again Soko TV kolende tomasos kagendra gotegerera emeroberi ao himeyegeteseni kiao kiabene chinsa 10 igoro emeroberio bongo ya marikungo gochirore Eyemo Aseyemo na Edwin Nyangao umanyekene mono muna mwanamboka iri munyare gotenga hamona kuongelia amarekamo wekensa ya moya maragoba ekiranyora ya mangana mayensa ya mamone chinsa to chamaragoba na Clinton Ondigi asora boti rwabene igoro yetaro ya Efred Matiangi asemo yego matanga yo museneta we county ya Nyamira okengo mogeni okorekana sebanyar ko bako ni ndugu yae no tukinyara chinkwana cha Efred Matiangi aye masa yamo asamngana ito Amayia are evos yobuna botambe Brian Chaka atsoldi Feristas Kabendi amo na director Zak no bainge emega yene nyoncho kwene kianga chibicha amo na madio ya wikire senchira ere ya bene retira njikoro kwa Daniel Omwaga twari sabato yarento yereru.